Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Collaging is for the Birds, for lack of a better word, challenge hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Design. And we each week do a bird collage. We can make it funny, we can make it pretty, we can do whatever we want to do. And this week I am going with this beautiful background, and I've got all these different waterfowl. So I'm going to just kind of add these around in this pretty, I don't know where this is, but it's gorgeous. But I'm going to have these kind of standing, I believe. Maybe have this one swimming. Let me see how I'm going to arrange these. Got my mallards. Now these are waterfowl from all over the world. So I'm going to see, I may move that one up. So these are all over the world. So what I thought I would do is welcome to the waterfowlers reunion, because they're all cousins, right? And I thought it'd be funny because, you know, most of the time these from New Zealand and stuff aren't going to see each other. So we're going to have a little family reunion here. So I kind of like that. So let's get this down and go with it. This one's just going to be fun. It's sort of surreal because these are some mighty big birds, but for the most part it's just a scene with humor. Okay. So I'm going to see how I'm going to do this, because it does need to kind of go into the water. So let's see how we're going to do this. Maybe a little bit more. Tuck that in. Gonna have to come out more this way. Okay, we got these two talking. Oops, I should have went back a little further. Give them some room. Oh, Margaret, what your kids doing right now? If you've ever been to a Southern reunion, you would understand. All right. The mama taking care of her baby. And these, they got their little kind of tuck their little legs in. Take off my glasses so I can see. You don't hear that very often. I am nearsighted, and my glasses don't do good when it comes to far or close. So sometimes I have to take off my glasses just so I can see what I'm doing up close. Makes it hard sometimes. It's hard to do stuff like in front of the TV. People always talk about fussy cutting and stuff, because when I fussy cut, I usually have to take my glasses off. But I can't see the TV with my glasses off. You don't have to wear glasses. You are blessed. Go ahead and get these in first because they seem to be the hardest. I'll do this and I'll be back. There's no need in watching me struggle. I've got them down and I glued them from the back to kind of hold them there. I didn't completely glue it down because I got to figure out where, make sure I have room for everything. Because I believe that she was going to go up here. Her up there. And get Harriet. You know, Harold got his job. He got a new job and he's getting well paid. Well, my son is in college now and he is going to be a doctor. We're so proud. We Southern families love each other, but we do try to outdo each other. But we got each other's back most of the time. Okay. Tuck that in there. I think I'm safe to go ahead and put these down. Okay. Oh, look at Chris and Jane. They just got married and he just really doesn't know how to act around my family. They just kind of hanging off to themselves. He'll get used to us. And I gotta put the little sign up. I don't know if he'll get used to us. He's from up north. They're a little different. I'm just kidding. They're not. Y'all not. We're the different ones. Oh. I do just kind of want to go around just because of the white area. Just a little. I think I learned that stereotypes don't always fit. For some reason, they think Southerners are a bunch of hicks. Some people do. You can tell that by how we're portrayed on television. It's really rather insulting. We are who we are. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. If we were all alike, this would be a very, very boring world. It's our differences that make us interesting, whether we agree with them or not. All right. These two. I don't don't think my Stabilo All is making that much difference, but I think it's helping just a little bit. Mostly it's covering the white. Unfortunately, our family reunions, we don't, as we getting older, I remember they were such a big deal when I was a kid. But they just don't tend to, people don't go to them as much. We're all over the world where families generally used to stay close. I mean, I had relatives in California, and then I had some in Alabama, and of course Mississippi. There were some in Las Vegas and Arizona, and so we, you know, I've got family all over the world, and so, you know, it was a big deal. You know, Texas, people would, you know, we'd always have like arrange our reunions around the family members that were far off and could get here. And now it's just everybody's off. It's not just a few people, and makes it hard to get together and keep in touch. And you have relatives that you don't even know anymore. It's sad. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you like it. I thought it was fun. And if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. And be sure and check out the hashtag Nrbirdcollage. Y'all take care. And until next time, bye y'all.